Hey, in this drawing lesson, we're going to go over how to draw SILVER.EXE. Okay, so SILVER.EXE. Very simple, cool lesson. So if you're a beginner, you will 100% be able to draw this. I'm going to go through it and teach it to you step by step by step. The whole thing is under 10 minutes, very short, so stay to the very, very end because I'm going to put a little bit of color as well. So let's hop right into the lesson. Before that, though, don't forget, hit the thumbs up right now. And that's it. Let's jump in. All right, let's jump into Silver the Hedgehog here. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to start with the SILVER.EXE, by the way, pulling down over here, and I'm going to pull up, and I'm just going to keep it going. It's going to curl up right there. Very interesting hedgehog. But of course, this is going to be the EXE version. Curve over here, and this is going to be just the head. Out over here, it's gonna flare out, pull outward. Okay, we good? Right on. Gonna go over here, pull out, in. So that long strand going on. All right. Over here, I'm gonna pull a line out. Over here. Out over here, out over here. We're kind of going along that area there. Down over here, out. Curve. Down. So he has this cool like tendrils right on his head. It's almost like the front of his face. It's pretty much kind of what he looks like to me. But I guess it's more of like a like the hair splaying out. Down over here. Ear. Ear, right, which is essentially just like a triangle. And we'll put another triangular shape in the middle of that. I actually forgot this splaying spike out here, so over here we're gonna pull in. Curve for the bottom of the mouth. Back over here. Curve around the corner there. Don't forget, if you like learning how to draw Sonic, if you like this kind of stuff at all, I have tons and tons of 8-minute videos on Sonic the Hedgehog universe. Absolutely hit the subscribe and click the bell notification right now. It only takes like 2 seconds. There's no downside at all to it. It's just gonna let you know when I post Sonic stuff. Curve forward a little bit for the other. Basically, I'm gonna roll in here and I'm gonna find the nose over here on this side. Going out. Down, in. The nose kind of looks like a wine cork bottle or something. Circle at the end. Fill it in. And let's find the bottom of the mouth right here. Bam. So remember, there's the EXE version, so we're gonna make him a little like gruff here. Sad downward there. Line open for the mouth, like so. And right here we're going to draw some sharp teeth along there. Okay. Let's go on the outside over here, curve down. And over here on this side, curve down. Curve over here. Curve over here. Circle for a highlight in that eye. dot over here, and kind of a circle here, but it's not going to be much because that eye is going to be red, okay? Alright, let's go over here. He's going to have one long spike that comes back down here, pulling in. One long spike. Really cool hedgehog, by the way. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like this character, honestly. I mean, again, it's going to go from... He's going to go into the dark mode in a minute here. We're going to put this zigzag here because he's got this triangle kind of hair on his chest, like so. And I guess we're gonna have his arm here a little bit. It's not just that we're gonna have his arm. His arm is like a tube, but it's gonna be totally vignette on this one. Line over here for his chest. Line out. Line out. See, it's just, this is a vignette. We're definitely gonna keep it a vignette this time. I mean, like a spike sticking out his back over here. One of the spikes. Now we're going to make him into the dark. So we're going to take the sclera and we're going to fill it in. I draw a line there because so you can separate the nose and the eye. We're going to fill in the sclera because he is the EXE version. You can do this with pencil, pen, anything. Doesn't really matter. But when you fill this in, I mean, I guess maybe you can pause it and fill it in. If you weren't like a pencil, it might take longer. Maybe not. I think it might be faster in a pencil, right, to fill that part in. Right on. And we're gonna pull line back here. I'll make him look a little angrier. Same thing over here. Line over here. Line over here. Line over here. Right on. We are going to color him, by the way. We are going to come in and color him, but it's going to be a speed coloring, so we're going to jump into that in a minute here. Do me a huge favor and share the video with a friend, or, you know, I don't know, just Twitter. It's an auto share option in the bottom right hand corner. Absolutely hit that share option, and that's it. So let's jump into the coloring session right now, okay? Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally The site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.